Well, many Nigerians aren't happy with those results, and it's feared there could be unrest in opposition-supporting parts of the country. Well, this is the police presence outside the Electoral Commission headquarters in the southern city of Port Harcourt, where Labour Party candidate Peter Obi won the most votes. Let's hear from voters there.
That's what I'm saying. This is so close to depressing. It's close to depressing. People are crying. People are crying that even when we came out to vote, to participate in this election with everything that makes us us, and then eventually you go back and then you manipulate and you want to do whatever you want to do, then what are you telling us?
I'm angry, I'm pained, I'm just sad because it's not fair actually. This has been going on for all the elections since while growing up. What I've been hearing or what I've been seeing, they're always rigging, always changing results.
Let's get more now from the BBC's Peter Akwache on what the opposition parties are now demanding.
Those three parties coming together to say that these elections were a sham, they were a fraud, that there was a lot of vote rigging involved, and that the elections should be cancelled. They want the country's chief electoral officer to step down, and then they called on President Muhammad Buhari to personally intervene in the crisis.
So that's what the opposition wants. Our correspondent Mayeni Jones has been speaking to the Nigerian public in Lagos about it.
We went out into the streets this morning and were speaking to an impassioned group of men who were talking politics over the newspapers, and all of them supported a different candidate. But one thing they all agreed on was that they were really unhappy with the way the election had been handled by the National Electoral Commission. All of them said they wish they'd been able to see the results as promised immediately after polls closed and the votes were counted.